IKEA. Hi, Beep.
Hi!
Where are we going today?
I think we're going to Disneyland.
Disneyland?
No, it's just your version of Disneyland. Other people call it IKEA.
We are going to IKEA. I need a new dresser. We're gonna get one that matches the one we already have so that I don't have to use these janky looking things for my clothes. Sound good? For our IKEA adventure day, we get to take our favorite method of transportation, the bus. Don't you love the bus? Isn't the bus your favorite way to travel?
I like that bus.
No, it's not working. We just paid $14.99 each to have unlimited IKEA food.
But IKEA food's actually surprisingly good. Even his dad, who's a professional chef, approves of it.
Yeah. Whoa, look what you got. Oh yeah. That chair likes it.
Hello? Yeah, I think I got it. Okay, see you there. No, I'm really busy. Okay, bye.
Okay, so the reason we are actually here is to get a dresser. We already have this guy. We're thinking about getting its older brother. I don't think I like it. So we came in here for a dresser, and so far we don't have the dresser yet, but we do have a cart full of other things.
We're not doing too bad.
We're not doing too bad. IKEA madness can usually be worse. We have successfully loaded up our cart with our dresser, and now it looks like a spaceship. Good job showing them. You're so talented.
No!
Why
Are you
didn't
serious?
say that on the thing?
I thought you specified which light bulbs we were getting when you picked them out.
That's definitely not gonna fit in there. No!